Truth itself is a great reality, and the awareness required to recognize the truth is undoubtedly an even greater reality. This awareness is, in fact, the true path to recognizing what is right. It is evident that no conscious journey is possible without conscious awareness. Just as a lamp spreads light to show the way, the lamp itself is not the destination, but a means to reach the destination. In the same way, the awareness to recognize the truth is not granted to everyone, and not every individual has the ability to listen to the truth and act upon it. Observation shows that the fig is a well-known fruit, blessed by nature with a unique fragrance and taste. In the season of spring, when fig trees bear fruit, it is observed that the nightingale, being sensitive by nature, is drawn to gardens by the fragrance of figs and takes pleasure in their sweetness. Likewise, when the matter of recognizing the truth arises, only those souls in society turn toward the truth who possess a genuine desire for it. Hazrat Maulana Room teaches us that not everyone can hear and understand the truth, because the recognition of truth is granted only to those whose hearts sincerely seek it. Therefore, the desire to recognize the truth is essential, and this is not possible without the companionship of those who walk the path of God.